Hey you guys, I am making another quick meal. This time it's veg pulao, and I'm going to use some basic veg here, but obviously you can mix and match according to your taste, according to what's available. So hot pan, couple of tablespoons of sunflower oil. You can use other oils if you like, and then I'm going to throw in all the whole spices. So 1 cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamom pods, 4 to 6 cloves, and 4 to 6 black peppercorns, and 1 bay leaf. And give it a second or two to kind of sizzle up, release their flavors, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next goes in 1 largish onion. I love lots of onion in my food. Just chop it finely and add it to the cumin oil. 1 green chili, red onion. Just let it soften up, and as soon as it starts to change color, I'm going to throw in all the other veg. Just 5 to 6 florets of cauliflower washed, and 100 grams of frozen peas. And now we are going to cook on medium to high heat. Because they are small pieces, they don't need to be cooked or covered, and it is going to happen when we cook it with the rice. So 2-3 minutes of high heat cooking will give you this. Some of the veg is going to get all browned up. You can see the cauliflower is a bit charred at places, and that's what you want, because trust me, it's going to add so much more flavor. And I'm going to add the spices. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. And all of this goes into the mix. Just mix it up. Then we're going to add 400 grams of washed basmati rice. And then a good mix. Make sure all the rice is coated well. Then goes in 1 liter of boiling water, and then just bring it to a boil. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to squeeze half a lime on top, just so that the rice stays fresh and fluffy. Now you don't want to touch it, you want to cover it up and leave it alone, please. And on really low heat, I'm going to leave this for 12 minutes, and once the timer is done, I'm going to turn the heat off. Don't be tempted to open it up now. I know your timer is done and you really want to peek in, but if you just let the steam inside cook the last bits of rice, you will thank me later. 15 minutes of rest, and the steam has died down a bit. And look at that, how fluffy the rice is. Every grain separate. Time to plate up. Ready, steaming hot, fluffy, delicious, looks amazing, smells amazing, and I'm ready with a spoon because I am tucking in. It's like warm, and it's got a lovely kick to it because I think that chili was spicy. And actually, I have to say the carrot has still got a bite to it. It's not like mushy and completely messed up. I would actually add another half a teaspoon of salt to this because I feel like I could do with a little bit more salt, but the spices are perfect. That is lovely. You can serve this with some yogurt. You can try the cucumber raita, it's on the channel. But whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe and come back here next week for another